Welcome back to my channel. As you can see behind me, I am at the pumpkin farm, and me and my helper, my niece Amaya, are going to be picking out some pumpkins today. We're going to be doing a project with pumpkins, so you guys stay and tune to this video, and you guys can see me and Amaya on our adventure picking pumpkins. Bye. Okay guys, so Amaya is out here with me, and what are we doing today, Amaya? Picking pumpkins. Look at all the pumpkins. Lots and lots of pumpkins. Okay, Amaya, let's pick out some pumpkins. Look at this one. Look at this one right here. Wow. It's a big pumpkin. Do you see any that you want? Which one? Point one out. That one? Amaya says this one, you guys. So we're going to get that pumpkin. Oh, look at this white pumpkin. What about this one? That's a pretty pumpkin. All these pumpkins. Me and Amaya don't know which ones to pick. So many. Let's see, Amaya. It has to be shaped tall. Tall. What about this one? Behind that sign.
This one?
Yeah. Guys, this is a lot of pumpkins. So Amaya is going to pick her a tiny pumpkin. Which one are you going to pick? There's a lot of them to pick from. Lots of them. Do you see one? Which one? She's pointing to it.
Which one?
Grab one.
Which one you want?
She's not sure. Is it this one? That one? Okay. So let me see that. Okay, you want to hold your pumpkin? Okay, show everybody your pumpkin. Wow. So Amaya has picked this pumpkin, you guys. So you guys, me and Amaya have picked our pumpkins out. And we're going to be on our way back home. And you guys tune in to part 2 of this video. Bye. Wait a minute. You said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel. You say what? What?